Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share.
Welcome back to my channel, my darlings. Today I'll be doing a very quick and easy recipe, some salt and pepper shrimp. It's very easy. It'll only take a few minutes, and I'll leave the ingredients in the description box below. Let's get right into it. So in goes our Chinese 5-spice. Then we're going to add some cayenne pepper, a little bit of cajun, and some salt. We're going to mix that around. This is what it's looking like. Then we're just gonna coat it in some cornstarch without any salt or seasonings. We'll add some salt at the very end. And you want to fry it on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. These are colossal shrimp, so they're very large. We throw off that oil, use a clean pot, added some margarine, you can use butter. Then I added some green onion or scallion, and then some Scotch Bonnet. Now I'm going in with a bit of garlic. We're just going to stir that around. Then we're just going to toss that around, add some salt and black pepper, and that is all she wrote, guys. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Don't be shy, leave a comment, and also share with your wonderful friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.